Here's a structure for a trigger journal to help you recognize and process your triggers. You can use this template daily or whenever you notice something has affected you. Trigger journal template. 1. Date and time. Write down the date and time of the event or when you notice the trigger. 2. What happened? Briefly describe the situation or event that you think might have triggered you. Include who was involved, where it happened, and any relevant details. 3. Initial reaction. What did you feel immediately after? Emotions, e.g., anger, sadness, anxiety, shame. Physical sensations, e.g., tight chest, racing heart, stomach ache. Thoughts, e.g., this isn't fair, I'm not good enough. Behaviors, e.g., snapping at someone, withdrawing, overthinking. 4. When did you realize you were triggered? Did you notice right away, later the same day, or even a few days after? 5. Root cause or trigger. Reflect on why this situation might have triggered you. Did it remind you of a past experience? Was it linked to a fear or insecurity? Did someone cross a boundary? 6. What did you need in that moment? Ask yourself, did you need reassurance, space, understanding, or to feel respected? What could you have done to soothe yourself? 7. How did you handle it? Describe how you responded in the moment and afterward. Did your reaction help or hurt the situation? Did you communicate your needs or set a boundary? 8. How could you handle it differently next time? Think of healthier ways to address similar triggers in the future. Could you pause and take a deep breath? Could you journal, talk to someone, or focus on self-soothing? 9. Overall reflection. What did you learn from this experience? What does this trigger reveal about you? How can you use this knowledge to grow or heal? Example entry. Date and time. December 16, 2024, 3 p.m. What happened? My coworker criticized my work during a meeting. Initial reaction. Emotion. Embarrassed, angry. Physical. Face felt hot, heart racing. Thought. I'm not good enough. Everyone thinks I'm a failure. Behavior. I shut down and avoided speaking for the rest of the meeting. When did you realize you were triggered? Later that evening, I couldn't stop replaying the event in my head. Root cause or trigger. The criticism reminded me of being scolded in school as a child, which made me feel small and incapable. What did you need in that moment? I needed to remind myself that constructive criticism doesn't define my worth. How did you handle it? I didn't address the coworker's comments and stayed quiet. How could you handle it differently next time? I could breathe deeply to stay calm and reframe the comment as an opportunity to improve. Overall reflection. This experience reminded me that I'm sensitive to criticism because of my past. I need to work on separating current feedback from old wounds.